So today we'll see the last part of interfacing, that is interfacing with keyboard. Only 11 of you. So last part of keyboard, okay. That means your 8051 will be connected with the keyboard, and how it is connected, we need to see this, okay. So what is a keyboard? Keyboard you must have seen, right, Garagi?
Yes, sir.
But right
Yes,
now,
sir.
I will just take one simple example of something like a calculator. Calculator is also one example of keyboard imade. So we'll take one simple example, not a original keyboard may like of computer. We'll take one small calculator and we will do this. Like for example, like this one. So let's say this is a keypad, okay, Anidhi. This is my keypad, and this is my 8051 microcontroller, and this is my LEDs, okay. So whenever I click this 5 any number, the ASCII number will be shown in the LED. This LED are the outputs. This keypad is an input, okay. Are you getting? See this, that notice here that this keyboard has a row and a column, okay. It has certain number of rows and certain number of column. These rows are connected to your port number 1, okay. These rows 1 2 3 4, this row is connected to port number 1, 1.0, port number 1.1, port number 1.2, port number 1.3, and the 3 columns are connected to your port number 2, pin number 2.0, pin number 2.1, pin number 2.2. Okay, so port 1 and port 2 are being used for your input, that is keyboard. Port number 3 is being connected to the output, okay. So whatever we type here, whatever we punch here, the ASCII value of that value should be shown in the LED, whereby your D1, D2, D3, D4 will be acting like a lower nibble. Lower nibble. And is the network good? Network gadibedu? Samjanagi Miguelo Dele.
Sir, dictation में
It's
sir.
much clearer, sir.
Chitran जो में sir.
Taking
No, it's okay. I'll later on I'll upload this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are the columns. These are the rows. And these are the output. Now, see there are 8 LEDs showing. These 4 are the lower nibble, the other 4 are the upper nibble. Okay. So whatever we type here, whatever we punch, the ASCII value of that number will be shown in the LED. Okay. So this is how you connect keyboard. So this is keyboard interfacing. It does not mean that you have to connect to port 2 and port 1 for the keyboard. You can connect anywhere. Okay. And you don't have to connect LED to port 3 only. You can connect to anywhere. So coming back, this is coming back to this one. So keyboards are organized in a matrix of rows and column. Okay. The CPU accesses both rows . Therefore,
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Oi, sir, kati assist.
Hello, sir.
Call of the class low. Yasi, 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 bhai.